Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. Please mind there's another version out there, the A23 4G, but this video is for the 5G version. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Here it is. So here has been the phone in before, and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just remove the wings like this and release it like that. And otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards next to a microSD card if you want. So very nice. Let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So this is how it should look like then. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. Okay. If you want, you can add also now a second SIM card. For that, just place the second SIM here at the first position. So this is how it should look like then. Also missing corner on missing corner here. Same thing. And the contacts are below as well. Okay. And if you want, you can add also a microSD card to support the internal storage. So the microSD card goes here to the last position. Take care if you insert a SD card that nothing jumps out here. So this is how it should look like then. And of course you can use the microSD card also with just one SIM card, of course. And the contacts are below. Okay. And after, if you have your construction, just put it back into the SIM slot here. Take care that nothing jumps out. And close it well. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.